First, me and the Bugman would like to say happy birthday, Sonic. We're sorry if Sonic, and to all the people, we're sorry that Sonic Boom Month wasn't that good because, it's hard. We're trying to make sure everything's quiet, but when people are loud in this room, it's hard to do because everybody, comes in here, comes in and out, comes in and out. Today was pretty good, but we didn't have any good ideas for Sonic Boom Month until we heard Supersonic Racing. So we're going to sing that, and we're not going to sing Can You Feel the Sunshine. Me and Bugsy have certain reasons why we don't want to, so we're not going to. Okay? And you guys can call us chicken all you want, but I don't want the Tails to all curse. I don't want it to hear. Yeah, because we may be powerful, but we can't be the Tails doll. Okay? We can't do it. So we're gonna do Supersonic Racing and some other songs. Some songs we are actually gonna dance to. And don't look back. You nearly feel the pace. Come on now, race. Everybody supersonic racing. To the beat right on the ground. When you're supersonic racing. There's no time to look around. When you're supersonic racing. To the point of no return. Really supersonic racing. Come on, let fire burn. Everybody, 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 everybody supersonic racing. And when you be right on the ground, when you're supersonic racing, no time to look around. When you're supersonic racing, then the point of no return. When you're supersonic racing, go on, let the fire burn. Don't you know, we really have to go to a place where you can feel my heart just race. Oh God, Bugsy, we got into that. Yeah, I know. Supersonic racing. When you're moving on the ground. When you're supersonic racing, there's no time to look around. When you're supersonic racing, to the point of no return. When you're supersonic racing, come on, let the fire burn. Oh yeah. Everybody, 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 everybody. I'm Sonic Racing. Oh God, honey. Everybody, everybody, everybody. Let's do it, Bugsy. Let's go. Yeah, we couldn't find a freaking instrumental version, so we just did this. Yeah. Feel it. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Everybody, 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 yeah. Let's go. Hey Bugsy, I really never heard Diamonds in the Sky. Most of these songs are freaking, for like, they're romantic songs in a racing game. Love songs in a freaking racing game. I mean, not like that's bad, but come on. Sonic needs to have some speedy songs. I'm not saying, this is before they actually put a lot of rock into Sonic. A lot of rock and roll into Sonic's music and a lot of, a lot of rock music into his, games, but come on. I know. Look at this. Hear this. Hey, Ani, I want you to sing a little something for me. Really? Why? Because. I just want you to sing a little something for me if you're cool. If you really want to. I want to, Bugsy, trust me. I never really sing a lot of stuff because, stuff. Oh, God, come on, man. We don't want to hear about the Tails doll. Why is that the first thing that pops up? Why not Tails the Fox? Or Man with Tails? Or freaking Man with Tails, meaning the guy has tails. An actual tail. I've seen people sport actual tails before. No, I mean seriously, look it up. There was actually something on the news about that. Not a Saiyan tail, but kind of a fleshy-ish tail. Oh, Bugsy, you're freaking. Why did you do this one? Because I know you like it. And really, back in those days, it spoke to you. When I'm alone in my bed, I just go about wishing I wanna be strong. Really wanna be trusted when I'm alone in my bed. I just go about yearning. I wanna be strong. I really wanna be like you. That's so easy. Do them easily. This is the way. My style, gotta get a hold of my life. I wanna fly high, never reach the highest. Never, never, somebody will be waiting for me. Right, and not too high, and keep going. That's the only sign for me. When I'm alone, I just go about dreaming. I'm with myself, having the same adventure. Yes, hard to be strong. We fly high, we can reach the highest. And heaven, someone will be waiting for me. Right, we've gotta fly higher. Where you going? Then reach the highest. Reserve for me. I will be leaving myself. This the only style for me. Oh yeah. How about I darken it up a little bit? You can? Seriously? Okay. Go. Not yet. I want to do this guitar solo. Air guitar style, baby. Oh yeah. Then this is come on, sing a little bit louder, man. I can do. No one's alone. Can fly high. a while to figure out, I really didn't need to be you. I just needed to be a little bit. I actually really did need to believe in myself. Hey, but yeah, Bugsy. Look at the comment. Look at the comment for this video. This Tails' theme video. I don't know about the Bangus brothers, but I do know the Bangus brothers. Oh God, what the? Who in the crap is the Bangus brothers? I don't know, but from this guy's description, they're the best band he's ever heard. The Bangus brothers. Okay, I get that when all my bros are together. We call ourselves the Kuro brothers. But come on, Bangus brothers. That'd be a messed up band. What are their songs? Pingus, 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 Pingus. Dude, I think I have one of their songs. Because I think I have Pingus Through the Flames. Oh my God, there actually is something like that. Oh God, dude. Yeah.
Crowds are coming by the dozens to get an up-close view of what some say.
Oh God. My God. No. It must be a joke band. I swear if I saw a thing, if I saw any kind of thing, I'd running. Oh my God. I swear to God, do they have any of the songs, Bugsy? I have no idea. Dude. They had something called Mortal Pingus. Oh God. Oh God. What the crap, man? I swear to God. God, you turned it into a... Oh God! This is some weird crap. That's weird. Okay, here's another one of their songs, Bugsy. It's called "I the Pingus." Oh, what the? Seriously? Yes. It's really horrible, man. Look at this. Oh God. What the are you doing in this video? I don't know, man. Pingus singing, yes. And they actually did a freaking cover of Still Alive. I wanted them to do that. I Wanted You Gone. That'd be cool. I like that. I played Portal, you know, right? You know that, right? 2-in-1? Yeah. Oh God, no, Bugsy, no, they actually made a song which was a parody of Toy Story? Yes. Yes, they did. Oh God! I didn't know Veronica even had brothers and they all sing Pingus. Oh God.
Rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm penis.
Oh God.
Just remember what your old past. Boy, you got a penis.
Oh God, that's messed up, man.
Yeah, you got a penis.
Darn. Oh God, this is just wrong, Bugsy.
You got a penis. You got a penis.
Oh God, come on, no.
You got a penis. And I got a penis.
I'm drinking some here.
There is a limit. Penis. We stick together to see it through. 'Cause you got a penis.
Oh God, that's sick.
You got a penis in me.
Oh sweet God.
Some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am. Big penis too. But none of them will ever love you the way I do.
Oh God.
It's me and you, boy.
Okay,
As
then.
the years go by,
Oh God, here it goes.
penis will never die. You're gonna see it's our destiny.
I don't know if Randy Newman even knows about this song.
Penis in me.
I don't know. I think something would sue somebody if you heard
You
it.
got a penis in me.
Oh God.
You got a penis.
My God, Bugsy, come on. This is messed up. Oh God, I can't believe hearing all these songs about Pinkish. It's really disturbing.
Gas-powered hammer and blood spraying out everywhere, and they come in with giant razor blade cutters and slit its throats and hacking big
What the-
pieces off, and it's rolling around and feces everywhere, and they're just slobbing
What?
it through, and they take it in with big basters and just spray viruses all over it, bred in big old giant tanks.
What? I don't.
Took the penis right out of my mouth.
What the? Oh God! And they're called the Pingus Brothers. Yes, they are. God dang, this is stupid. They're stupid. We're trying to do a freaking Sonic anniversary, and all we came up with is Pingus. That's wrong. That's wrong. Oh God. I think I laughed so hard. My stomach shifted. Oh God. No, I laughed so hard. Look at your bed. Look at your bed right now. Oh, dude, how did that happen? I was drinking my usual quote unquote soda. And let's just say it shot all out of my nose. I mean, even though it was down my stomach, it went through my nose. I gotta clean that up, don't I? No, I'll clean it up. It's my fault. I should have been laughing while drinking. Okay. Is there any more? They didn't work with the Black Eyed Peas, and they actually worked with the Black Eyed Peas and actually made a song. Oh God! Come on! No! This is about Sonic, not about the Pingus Brothers. Oh God, Bugsy, that was kind of funny though. You gotta admit. Okay, guys, we're going to kind of do something for this 21st anniversary for Sonic. And no, it's not going to be from the CD. From Sonic CD. And seriously, does anybody get that freaking soundtrack sounds so freaking like? I mean, I know it's supposed to sound depressing in the future and stuff, but when you die, it really sounds like demons are ripping you limb from limb as you die, like your soul being ripped out. And they're just laughing. It's really creepy. See, and that's probably the reason why they do so many creepy pastas with Sonic. It's just, ugh. I just don't like it, because usually it ends with Sonic being beheaded on a spike. Well, impaled on a spike. Well, at least there's no Pegasus involved in this. No, there isn't. You feel alive, moving through your mind. Ooh, look like you came back for more. Yeah, do you feel alive, moving through your spine? Ooh, is it you trying to ignore? Yeah, when you can hardly swallow your fears and pain. Just shut up, girl, you can't help but follow and put you right back where you came. Ooh, live and learn, hanging from the edge of tomorrow. Live and learn from the words of yesterday. Live and learn, if you fail or if you borrow. Live and learn, you may never find your way. Oh yeah, now let me get some of this. Oh yeah. Can you feel it? Tangle you up inside. Yeah, now you're face down on the floor. Oh, when you can't hide your sorrow, you may betray. I forget that last part though. When you can't help but follow, it puts you right back where you came. Live and learn, hanging from the edge of tomorrow. Live and learn, you know the words of yesterday. Hey, live and learn, if you fail or if you borrow. Live and learn, you may never find your way. Okay, Bugsy? Do it, Bugsy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, I know. But who cares? Yeah. It's gonna get to your favorite part for a minute. Yeah, I know. Get ready. Hold your rings up in the air, people. I know you have them. That's on Unleashed reference. Hold on to one end. Hold on to one end. Live and learn, hanging from the edge of tomorrow. Live and learn from the words of yesterday. Hey, live and learn, if you fail or if you borrow. Live and learn, you may never find your way. Live and learn, on the edge of tomorrow. Live and learn from the words of yesterday. Hey, live and learn, if you fail or if you borrow. Live and learn, you may never find your way. God, that was horrible. Live and learn. Yeah. Live and learn. Yeah. Sonic the movie coming out soon. What if we just set up a whole big trailer for something that Fox will do with Sonic? You mean? Oh, I don't think Fox will ever make a Sonic movie, Bugsy. I think when I watched Wreck-It Ralph, the only people that really, they had freaking Bowser and freaking Eggman there, and I only see them actually making a Sonic movie and doing it good, doing it justice. If they do it anymore, if they did it if any other company did it, I don't know if they'll do a good job. I mean, Pixar will pull anybody in because it's. But do we really want Disney with Sega? That's true. But then we're probably gonna have weird in jokes with some of the sketch comedies we watch, and freaking Sonic and Mickey Mouse might fight each other. Actually, that might be pretty cool. Yeah, that might. But, this is just to celebrate Sonic's, 20 years, 21st, his 20th, the 21st years, his 21st birthday / anniversary. And I gotta say, I really freaking love anything Sonic the Hedgehog related. But I'm not only a fan of that. I'm a fan of Mario. I'm a fan of Gex. I'm a huge fan of anime and other things. So I'm not only just a Sonic fan. A lot of people peg me as just a Sonic fan, but I'm a fan of everything. Everything anime, to everything Mario, to everything Sonic, to everything a little bit of Crash Bandicoot, I'm a fan of. So yeah. And just to clarify, we want to say this one more time. Happy birthday, Sonic! Yeah! I'm screaming louder than I need to be. Oh! Ani, why'd you do that? I have no idea. But happy birthday, Sonic. Happy birthday indeed, oh blue blur. Hey, so, Bugsy, what do you want to do now? Later we're gonna go grab some hot wings. What do you wanna do till then? I don't know. Listen to music. Oh yeah, guys, video's over. See you guys later. This is on to the ever loving Maru, telling you yeah, because we don't stop, because it's one Sonic under an undercover cop. That doesn't make any sense. It's not supposed to, Bugsy. It's Interworld. What the crap is wrong with you? I don't know. I'm just having too much fun here. Alright. See you guys later. Ani, you're really gonna have me bust a gut later, aren't you? No, probably not. Maybe. Depends if we watch any freaking Monty Python later. See you guys later.